Hi everyone, and welcome to Speak English with Emania. Cherry Blossom. Here, learning English becomes simple, fun, and easy to use in your daily life. Together, we'll practice grammar, vocabulary, and speaking skills step by step, so you can build confidence and fluency. If you want to speak English naturally and without fear, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and join me on this journey only on Speak English with Emania.
Hello travelers, Globe. In today's video I will teach you useful English phrases for traveling abroad. These are intermediate level phrases that will help you sound more confident when you travel. So let's get started. Immigration and customs. I am here on vacation, and I will be staying for 2 weeks. Here is my passport and return ticket. Could you please stamp my passport? Where can I collect my checked baggage? Example. At immigration you may say, "Good morning. I'm here for a business conference." Shopping. How much does this cost in dollars? Do you accept international credit cards? Could you wrap this as a gift, please? Is this item available in a larger size? Emergency situations. I need medical assistance, please. Where is the nearest hospital or clinic? I lost my wallet, can you help me? Please call the police, it's urgent.
At the beach or tourist spot. After a few days, you decide to relax at the beach. You may need these phrases. Is it safe to swim here? Can I rent an umbrella and a chair? How much is the entrance fee? Can you take a picture of me, please? Are there any water sports available? White right pointing backhand index example, you're excited and you ask a local. Hi, can you recommend the best place to watch the sunset? Using public transport. Exploring a new city often means using buses, trains, or subways. Phrases you can use. Which train goes to the central station? Where can I buy a bus ticket? How often does this bus run? Do I need to change trains, or is it direct? Example, at the metro station you ask. Excuse me, does this train stop at the airport? At an internet cafe or Wi-Fi spots. Sometimes, you need internet to contact family or check maps. Useful phrases include: Do you have free Wi-Fi here? Could you share the Wi-Fi password, please? Is there an internet cafe nearby? How much does 1 hour of computer use cost? Can I print a document here? White right pointing backhand index example, you're lost without internet, so you say. Excuse me, is there a free Wi-Fi spot around this area? Making new friends or meeting people. Traveling is also about meeting new people. Here are polite phrases. Hi, where are you from? Is this your first time in this city? What places have you visited so far? Would you like to join me for dinner? Can we exchange contact details? Example, at a group tour, you start a friendly chat. Hello, my name is Iman. I'm traveling from Pakistan. What about you? Visiting a pharmacy or buying medicine. If you catch a cold or headache while traveling, you need these phrases. Do you have medicine for a headache? Can you recommend something for stomach pain? Is this medicine available without a prescription? How many times should I take this per day? Are there any side effects? White right pointing backhand index example, you go to a pharmacy and politely ask. Excuse me, can I get something for a sore throat? So friends, that was our travel story, from the airport, to hotels, taxis, restaurants, shopping, and even emergencies. These English phrases will make your journey smoother, and your confidence stronger. Practice them before your trip, and you'll feel more comfortable anywhere in the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like thumbs up sign, share Outbox Stray, and subscribe bell for more English learning lessons. Safe travels, and see you in the next video. Globe showing Europe Africa airplane hash.